morning we woke up in Charicot. It was great. We had a thunderstorm last night, and so it was really clear this morning, and everyone got to see the mountains. The main mountain of that one is Gari Shankar, which is a conservation area. And then this morning we've driven up and down a bit, so like a few windy roads, a few scared cyclists now, to find ourselves at the campsite now, and this is the start point.
Home sweet home.
This afternoon it will be all about building the bikes, getting them ready, having a few cycling around a bit, trying them out.
That's mine. It does appear to be all in one piece, yeah. Which is good. And the gin is in one piece.
Ed's been amazing today. He's built probably 7 or 8 bikes. He's done all the checks on them, and you know, hopefully, fingers crossed, everything will be okay tomorrow. But he's done an amazing job.
Just really make sure that it's all, you know, tip top, because the last thing you want is a mechanical failure if you can possibly avoid it. We will get some because of the terrain we're on is quite rough and demanding. But if you keep that to a minimum, it keeps everyone happy. Some people are completely technically inept, so now I have to go and help Simon.
Swerve, bum cream, all those sore moments. Compliments of Angie Abubian. Thank you very much, Angie.
It works.